Hey guys, it's Rebby and welcome back to another Get Ready With Me video. Get my hair ready with me. That. Okay, so today we're going to do a simple high ponytail. I used to tie my hair up in a high ponytail all the time as a kid. Well, as a teenager, more like. Me being silly, I would tie my hair up too tight. Too often, because every single day I had my hair in a ponytail because I did a lot of sports. Having my hair in a ponytail is fine, but it's just I would tie my hair up too tight. So that was the issue. Yeah, now I just I don't really tie my hair in a ponytail anymore. I think that's because I used to tie my hair up so much in a ponytail. I'm kind of bored of it. So I'm bringing it back today for you guys though. So yay. Okay, so if you've been with me, well, if you've seen my videos already, then you already know the drill about these bad boys. So I've got Botana oil. This is Nature Spells Botana oil and also Nature Spells rosemary oil. I also use Nature Spells lavender oil sometimes. It just kind of depends what I'm in the mood for. But at the moment I'm using rosemary oil because it's really good for hair growth and I want my hair a little bit longer. It's down here though, so. Okay. Sorry, I'm in a bit of a weird mood today, really weird mood. So if I'm a little bit weird in this video, apologies. Okay, so I'm putting Botana oil on my scalp. I always start with Botana oil on my scalp. It's really, really good for hair growth as well. So that's why I normally start with this. So, oops, just put a little bit in my hands. You know what? I've realized I'm really close to the mic. It's alright, if you guys hear me breathing, then I'll like mute it or something, but apologies. Gonna add a little bit more. I don't like to oil my scalp up too much, but because it's really cold at the moment, because it's really cold in the UK, I like to make sure that my scalp is thoroughly moisturised because I don't want any breakage. And I don't want there to be any flaking or anything at the scalp. So at the moment I'm oiling my scalp quite regularly. So if it's as soon as it gets dry, so if I oiled it yesterday and then it's dry today, I will add a bit more oil. I don't really limit myself to, oh no, I oiled it yesterday, so I can't oil it today. I just oil it when it gets dry. And next I'm going to add rosemary oil on the ends of my hair. I normally add Botana oil to my scalp. It's a little bit thicker. This Botana oil from Nature Spell is already pre-diluted, so I just put it straight on my scalp. The same with the rosemary oil, but this I'm going to put on the ends of my hair. To be honest, the ends of my hair doesn't need too much oil because I put a little bit of oil in it yesterday. So I'm only going to add kind of this amount. I'm not going to add any more. Now I'm actually going to put it up in a ponytail. What I actually use to tie my hair up, obviously because I do have a lot of hair, is this. So I just bought a pack of kids tights and then I just cut the legs off and then I tie them together. So then it just creates a giant hairband. So okay, I like to have a couple of bits done at the front. This is what I do, like, just to make sure it doesn't go back with the rest of my hair, but don't mind me. Okay. So now is literally the method that I do. And then I just kind of loosen it to make sure it's not too tight. Make sure there's a little bit of leeway. Okay, this is just a little brush for the front. High ponytail done. So it's quite simple. I told you I'd be weird, didn't I? Thanks for sticking with me for this video. I will be doing another hairstyle video soon, probably next time, because I have quite a few hairstyles actually that I don't do because I have my hair down all the time. Now you guys can guess if that's because I'm being lazy or if it's just because I like having my hair down. I'll leave you guys in the comments to guess what you think that is. But yeah, I will probably upload another video next week, Friday, because I'm being good. So yeah, see you guys next week and I hope you have a lovely weekend. Take care. Bye.